CachyOS 251129, the November 2025 release, is a performance-driven Arch Linux-based distribution that continues its focus on extreme optimization, featuring a highly customized kernel utilizing the BOR, burst-oriented response enhancer, scheduler for superior desktop responsiveness. This release significantly boosts accessibility by integrating the Orca screen reader and espeak-ng speech synthesizer directly into the ISO and installer, ensuring users with visual impairments can successfully navigate the installation process. Additionally, the release enhances the out-of-the-box gaming experience through updates to Proton-CachyOS, which now supports the experimental dxvk-gplasync alternative for dxvk and introduces tuned, larger per-game shader caches to minimize stuttering during gameplay, particularly benefiting NVIDIA users. A primary structural change from the previous version is the update to the system's foundational components and display management, specifically enabling the mknitpo system hook for supported configurations to better align with modern Arch practices, though it remains disabled for ZFS and bcachefs due to current limitations. This release also marks a significant shift in desktop integration by preparing the installer to support the new Plasma Login Manager and defaulting to Cosmic Greeter for Cosmic installations, replacing SDDM, while also improving hardware detection to automatically install media SDKs for supported Intel GPUs and adding dedicated handheld support for devices like the Xbox ROG Ally X.